generative AI. Now, you might be thinking AI, that's like robots and stuff, right? Well, yeah, kind of. But it's also way more subtle and already woven into our lives in ways you might not even realize. Think about it. You're scrolling through Netflix, trying to decide what to watch, and boom, personalized recommendations based on your viewing history. Or you're composing an email, and your email provider is suggesting the next words in your sentence. Yep, you guessed it. Generative AI again. So stick around as we break down what generative AI is all about, how it's changing the game in everything from entertainment to creativity, and what the future might hold. Trust me, this is one tech trend you don't want to miss. Generative AI decoding the tech. So what exactly is generative AI? Imagine a computer program that doesn't just follow instructions but actually creates things, like really creates. We're talking about systems that can generate text, compose music, design logos, even write code, all on their own. These AI models are trained on massive datasets, kind of like feeding a supercomputer a library of information. Let's say you feed it every single Picasso painting ever created. The AI analyzes the brushstrokes, the colors, the composition, everything. And then get this. It starts generating its own unique images in the style of Picasso. It's not just copying, it's understanding the underlying patterns and creating something totally new based on what it's learned. Some of the biggest players in the game right now are ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney. These are the tools pushing the boundaries of what's possible. ChatGPT, for example, can write you a poem in the style of Shakespeare, or even generate code in different programming languages. It's mind-blowing stuff. AI in your pocket everyday applications. Okay, so generative AI is cool and all, but how does it actually impact you on a daily basis? Well, let's break it down. Remember those Netflix recommendations we talked about earlier? That's generative AI learning your viewing habits, understanding your taste in movies and shows, and suggesting what you might want to watch next. And it's not just Netflix. Spotify does the same thing with music, curating personalized playlists based on your listening history. It's like having a personal AI DJ in your pocket. Then there are the AI-powered photo editing apps that can transform your selfies into stunning portraits with just a few taps. You've probably seen those apps that can age your face or swap your face with a celebrity. That's generative AI in action, manipulating images in real time. And for all the aspiring artists out there, AI-powered art generators can help you bring your creative visions to life, even if you don't have years of training. These tools are democratizing creativity, making it easier than ever for anyone to express themselves through art, music, and more. Chapter 3. The Future of Creation, Mind-Blowing Innovations. Alright, so we've covered the everyday applications of generative AI, but what about the really futuristic stuff? I'm talking about the innovations that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. AI is now composing music that's practically indistinguishable from human-composed tracks. We're talking about symphonies, film scores, even pop songs, all created by algorithms. AI is pushing the boundaries of music, creating entirely new genres. Then there's the world of AI-generated art, which is exploding right now. Artists are using AI to create photorealistic images, surreal landscapes, and abstract masterpieces. AI is also designing furniture, fashion, buildings, and even entire cities. We're talking about a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a collaborator in every creative field imaginable. Chapter 4. The Ethical Dilemma: Navigating the Challenges of AI. Before we get too carried away with generative AI, let's address the elephant in the room, the potential downsides. Generative AI comes with challenges and ethical considerations. One major concern is the misuse of deepfakes. Deepfakes can make anyone appear to say or do anything. This can spread misinformation and damage reputations. There's also the issue of bias. AI models trained on biased datasets can amplify those biases. This can perpetuate harmful stereotypes. And of course, there are privacy concerns. Generative AI relies on vast amounts of data, which must be used responsibly. Clear guidelines are needed to protect privacy and prevent misuse. Navigating these challenges is crucial to harness AI's potential while mitigating risks. Outro: The Generative Future, a Call to Action. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of generative AI and how it's transforming our lives. From the entertainment we consume to the tools we use to express our creativity, generative AI is already everywhere, and it's only going to become more prevalent in the years to come. This technology has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, unlock incredible new possibilities, and fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. As with any powerful technology, there are risks and challenges that we need to address head-on. We need to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI, establish clear guidelines for its development and use, and ensure that it's used for good, not for harm. The future of generative AI is ultimately up to us. How will you shape it? Hit that like button if you're ready to embrace the AI revolution. How do you see it changing your world? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the science that shapes your life.